So the next step, we're going to check out the terminal view of our setup tool. We're just moving to terminal, and here we basically have a side-by-side 2x UART or serial input. Yeah, side-by-side means basically at the end we can even connect them to have them really both in view what really happens at the same time. You can just use the space however you want to. So I put it here in the middle now. Yeah, and just by going into the terminal mode, it's infinite from the time you can just press start. You see data is flowing in on um, both of my terminals. Yeah, basically I just let it run. You can stop. Basically you can reopen it again. Let's say have it run for some time. You can see already like the advantage here of having both in the same timestamp. So if we stop, you can now go to sync terminals, and now the advantage is if you now scroll at one side, you can see directly scrolls the other side also to the right time, so you can easily basically can always side by side compare these both. It makes it really comfortable. Now if you see the one is more wide, you can also adjust here and have really like a side by side comparison. Now if we restart again, for sure you have here you can just stop the scrolling to the bottom. Yeah, like everything what you have on a typical terminal view. What you can also do is show it not as ASCII, but show it as a hex, as hex. You can also add in some like these non-standard characters like line feed and so on. And you can also go to a new line mode. Here in this mode, it's really shown like a typical terminal, but here in a new line mode, you can even show it really like to see what came in, like really time-based, like really what came into this milliseconds, what was received in that milliseconds. For some, let's say for some use case, this use case it might make sense. So that's what you can do here. Basically, you can also clear the terminal, right? Yeah, you can export. At the end, you can save it to a text file. You can also do an auto log that you basically every text file get automatically logged into your folder. You can really do pretty some pretty things. Okay, let's have it run for some seconds. Now, yeah, some nice features like for example, I want to search for payload. It gives me every line with payload. You can even filter, say just give me the lines with payload. You can run through them. You see auto sync. It really always goes to the same time here. Yeah, that's basically it. Basically, there's one more feature just called triggers, where you can even search on keywords like let's search for FODA. Let's say let's have it let's have it red. You see it gets red marked even as we run, so we can have it run here. Let's see if there's something FODA coming. Okay, and then it marks red. So that's basically it for this. One thing I did want to show you is let's say if we clear and clear, We have an auto baud modus saying like a mode saying, okay, if you don't know the baud rate beforehand, you can just, let's say, go to settings here. You can either fill out what do you want here, data bits, parity, and so on. You can say detect baud rate. It directly detect you the right baud rate. Okay, let's say here today he will also detect baud rate. It directly detects, oh, it's another baud rate. It fills automatically in, and you're good to go. You can again start um, start your capturing. So that's basically it for the terminal view.